everyone. Today's class we are going to learn about integers. So first let us learn the definition of natural numbers. What do you mean by natural numbers? The set of counting numbers from 1 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So these are called natural numbers. That means the numbers which we use in our daily life 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are called natural numbers. Next, what do you mean by whole numbers? The set of natural numbers including 0 like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, so along with natural numbers 0 will be included. So these are called whole numbers. All natural numbers can be whole numbers. All natural numbers will become whole numbers. Why means so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all that it will be whole numbers. But whereas all the whole numbers will not be natural numbers. But all whole numbers can't be natural numbers. So from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are called whole numbers. Next is positive and negative numbers. Positive numbers. What do you mean by positive numbers? The numbers that contain plus symbol and lie on the right side of the number line. So positive numbers means this we will write with the plus symbol, and in the number line we will write these positive numbers on the right side. Example 56, 2, 6, 87, 111. So like this, etc. So these and all. And one more thing, what here means you have to observe. So in front of number, if we don't represent any sign means, so this is like a positive number. Next, negative numbers. So these numbers contain minus symbol and lie on the left side of the number line. So this negative numbers, it will contain minus symbol, and we will write these numbers in the number line left side. So minus 15, minus 34, minus 458, etc. So you can see here, this is the number line, and the 0 we will write in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we write on the right side, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, this we will write in the left side. So these are positive numbers and these are negative numbers. So this is the way we will write positive and negative numbers on the number line. Now let us see what do you mean by integers. The set of positive and negative numbers with whole numbers and include 0. So the set of positive, negative numbers and whole numbers including 0 are called integers. So 10, 25, minus 78, 0, 102, etc. all this. See here, so 0 is included and these positive numbers and negative numbers also are there. So these are called integers. So next, successor and predecessor. So successor means already this we have learned from the lower classes itself. Successor means that means after number, the number that comes after the given integer. So for example, minus 12. So this will be minus 11 is the successive of minus 12. 65 equals to 66 is the successor of 65. So here minus 12 and what is the successor means minus 11. So here in that negative numbers, it will be the for a numbers, if it is increasing means the value will be low. Next, predecessor, the number before the given integer. So pre means we know that it is a before number. So minus 78, minus 79 is the predecessor. So for 49, 48 is the predecessor. So this is the way we write successor and predecessor. Next is representation of integers on a number line. So how we will represent the numbers on a number line. So first what we have to do means you have to draw a line, and after that mark a point as 0 on it. So first you have to draw one line and in the center you have to mark 0. Mark some points at the same equal distance to the right and left of 0. So same way right side and left side with the same distance you should mark the numbers. Points to the right of 0 are positive integers and are marked as 1, 2, 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. Or simply we can write 1, 2, 3, etc. Points to the left of 0 are negative integers and are marked as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. How we will write means, so this is the first you have to draw the number line, and here in the center you should write mark as is 0, and here right side we write positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way in the left side also you have to write negative numbers, so that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So here the distance should be same way. So this is the way we represent the integers on number line. Next is ordering of integers. On a number line, the number increases as we move towards right and decreases as we move towards left. So in number line, we know that right side we write positive numbers and left side we write negative numbers. And if we move towards the right, the value will be increasing. So in the same way, if you write in the right left side, the value will decrease towards the left side. So hence the order of integers is written as -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. like this. So therefore -3 is less than -2, -2 is less than -1, -1 is less than 0. So we know that already these negative integers are the value are less than 0 only. So 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, and 2 is less than 3. So like this we will order the integers. Next is additive inverse. So what do you mean by additive inverse? The additive inverse of any integer, a is minus a. See here, so for just it is ulta. Additive inverse of 9 is -9. So additive inverse of 12 is -12. Suppose if they have given additive inverse of -15 means it will be +15. So additive inverse of an integer is that when added to a given number gives 0. So always this additive inverse will give 0. So how here you can see 12 plus of -12 plus 12 -12 will get cancelled, so you will get 0. So like this additive inverse is just opposite. Next, addition of integers. So how you can add the numbers? Positive integer plus negative integer. So for example, suppose if you are adding one positive number and one negative number, what you will get the value? See here +5 and -2. So here +5. So this is a positive number, -2, it is a negative number. So what you have to do means first you have to subtract 5 minus 2. So then you will get 3. So what you have to do means here for the bigger number, what the sign you have. So in the answer, you have to put that sign. See now here 5, 2. So here 5 is the bigger number, and for 5 it is a positive number, 2 is a negative number. So first we have to subtract. So if you have one positive number and one negative number, you should subtract both the numbers. Then you have to write in the answer for which is the bigger number, that sign you have to write in the answer. Next is -5 plus 2. See here 5 minus 2 you will get 3. So but here -5 is the bigger number. So for 5 here negative number is there. So answer you will get as -3. Next. So next is both the numbers, positive numbers, if you add, what you will get? +5 plus 2. So 5, 2, these both are positive numbers. So you will get the answer as positive number only 7. So just here when you write normally, we don't represent these signs and I'll just 5 plus 2 we write, and answer also we write 7. Next, add the two integers and add the positive sign. See, next, negative integer. So when you add two negative integers, what you will get? -5 plus of -2. See here both are negative. So you will get, you have to add and you should get the negative sign only. So -5 -2 you will get -5 plus 2 7. So my symbol is minus, you have to write. So here 3 rules you have to keep remembering. Two positive numbers if you add, you will get the answer in positive only. Two negative numbers if you add, you will get the number answer in negative only. When one positive and one negative numbers if you add, what you have to do is first you have to subtract, and which is the bigger number, that sign you have to represent. So these are the rules you have to remember when you add integers. Next, same way, let us see subtraction of integers. Two like signs become a positive sign. So like signs means here two positive numbers. When you subtract two positive numbers, 3 plus of +2. So that means 3 plus 2, 5. So next here -6 minus of -3. So minus will become +6 plus 3 you will get 9. So when here to say two positive numbers, if you subtract you will get positive only. Two negative numbers if you subtract also you will get positive only. Suppose here one positive and one negative. Two unlike signs. Unlike signs in the sense one positive and one negative. 7 plus of -2. So that means 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus of +2. 8 minus 2, 6. So this is the way you will add or subtract the integers. Next, let us see how you will add on a number line. Addition of integers on a number line. So when the number is positive, count to the right. When the number is negative, count to the left. So here what you should do means, so you should see the first sum. If the numbers are positive means you should count on the right side. If the numbers are negative means you have to count on the left side. Okay, see here. Positive means, so you should count on the right side. So if it is negative means you should count on the left side. So like this you have to count. Next, See here, example, plus one of the way to add integers is with a number line. So that means by using number line, how you have to add plus 3 plus of minus 5, one positive and one negative. So here plus 3, first for this minus 5 you have to add. So what you have to do, first plus 3 is there, so you have to take right side. So from 0 to 1, 2, 3, so here you will get. Again what you have to do, minus 5. So minus negative number, so you should come left side. Okay. So from 3 to minus you have to count. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where you will get the answer? You will get the answer as minus 2. So this is the way you will do on the number line. Next, see another example, plus 3 plus of minus 7. So how you will do this one? So here also plus 3. First what you have to do, you should take right side, positive number. So 1, 2, 3 numbers you have to take. Then minus 7. So that means from there you have to come minus 7. So that means 7 minus 3 you will get. That means, so here bigger number is 7. So for 7 you will be having minus. So that means from here if you get, here you will get the answer. So minus 4 is the answer. So this is the way you can subtract. Next subtraction, that is the addition. Now let us see subtraction, how you will do on the number line. Add and subtract using the number line. Suppose for example, same way here also. So positive numbers means you should move to right side, negative numbers means you should move to left side. 1 plus 4. So what you have to do, first you have to take 1. So both are positive numbers only. So 4 it is there. So 4 you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So next 2 minus 4. So this is subtraction, how you have to do. First you should take on 2. So that means 2 is a positive number. So you have to take from right side. And again minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get the answer as minus 2. So this is the way you will subtract on the number line. So I hope you understood in integers. So now we have learned what is positive numbers, what is negative numbers, and how that positive and negative numbers we represent on integers, and addition and subtraction on number line also. So I hope you understood. Thank you.